What if I told you there's a secret weapon to supercharge your daily output, even if you've never touched AI before? Most people think AI is for tech geniuses or giant companies, but I spent the last 7 days testing the brand new ChatGPT-5 to see if it could completely change how I work, learn, plan my day. And honestly, the results were absolutely insane. I'm talking about saving hours of my life every single day with some shockingly simple tricks. This isn't some boring tech review. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it step by step so you can do it too. Forget complex tutorials. We're diving deep into simple, everyday applications of ChatGPT-5 that will make your tasks easier, faster, surprisingly fun. We're not writing crazy algorithms building robots here. We're talking about turning a messy brain dump into a perfect to-do list in seconds, writing emails that sound like you but better, and even getting help with that one annoying coding problem you've been stuck on for a week. I'm going to walk you through 7 different challenges I gave the AI, and you won't believe how it handled some of them. This video is your ultimate guide to becoming ridiculously productive. I'm literally giving you the 7 exact prompts and strategies that changed everything for me. By the end of this video, you'll have a new superpower. So if you want to see how I turn this powerful AI into my personal assistant, you need to watch this. Stick around to see all 7 hacks, because the last one is a game changer for anyone learning to code. Let's get into it. Chapter 1. All right, day 1. My brain is usually a total mess in the morning. I have a million things to do, and I waste so much time trying to figure out where to even start. So for my first challenge, I gave ChatGPT-5 a massive jumbled brain dump. Film new video, answer emails, plan week's content, go to the gym, edit thumbnail, research competitors. It was a chaotic mess. That list would normally give me anxiety. But here's where the magic happened. I typed one simple prompt. Organize this into a prioritized to-do list for today. Break each task into subtasks of 15-60 minutes. Group by high, medium, low. In literally 5 seconds, it spit out the most beautiful, organized, actionable plan I'd ever seen. Split-screen reveal of the color-coded to-do list and my shocked face. It wasn't just a list, it was a roadmap. Film new video became one project with steps. Script intro, 30 mins, setup lighting, 15 mins, film A-roll, 60 mins. It was incredible. This completely changed my morning. Instead of procrastinating, I started the first 15-minute task. It felt like a video game, one small quest after another. Chapter 2. Okay, day 2 was all about tackling the one thing I hate more than almost anything else. My inbox. It's a black hole of time and energy. So I made a rule for 24 hours I was not allowed to write a single email or message myself. ChatGPT-5 was going to be my personal communications director. The challenge was to see if it could handle everything from super professional client emails to casual check-ins with my team, without anyone noticing it wasn't me. This felt risky, but I had to try it. The first test was a big one. I needed to send a follow-up email to a potential sponsor who hadn't replied in a week. I gave ChatGPT-5 the context. Draft a professional but friendly follow-up email to a potential sponsor. Mention that I'm checking in on our conversation from last week about the Q4 brand integration. Keep it short, polite, and not pushy. My goal is to reopen the conversation. Sign off as Patrick. The draft it generated was perfect. It was better than what I would have written. It had the perfect balance of confidence and politeness. I copied, pasted, and hit send. Throughout the day, I threw everything at it. Quick Slack messages to my editor? Done. Replying to a complicated viewer question? Easy. I even used it to craft a polite no to a request I didn't have time for. The key was giving it the right inputs. The purpose of the message, the desired tone, enthusiastic, formal, super casual, and a few key facts. It saved me literal hours of agonizing over wording. And that sponsor? They replied within an hour. Chapter 3. Day 3. We all know that feeling. You just survived a 1-hour meeting. Your brain is fried. Now you have to spend another 30 minutes trying to remember and write down what was actually decided. Well, not today. I recorded a full 60-minute team brainstorming session. I used a transcription app to turn it into a giant, messy wall of text. It was pages and pages of rambling conversation. My prompt to ChatGPT-5 was simple and direct. Please provide a concise summary of the key discussion points in bullet points. Then create a separate list of all action items and assign each one to the responsible person. I pasted the entire transcript, hit enter, and held my breath. I honestly thought it would crash or give me something useless, but what came back was mind-blowing. In less than a minute, it produced a perfect, clean summary. It identified the three main topics we discussed. It pulled out the most important points for each, but the best part was the action items list. It had correctly identified every single task. Patrick, research new microphone options. Sarah, draft the initial content calendar. It assigned them to the right people. For day 4, I wanted to push ChatGPT-5 beyond just productivity and see if it could actually help me learn something new and difficult. It compared superposition to a spinning coin that's both heads and tails at the same time until it lands. Suddenly, the concept clicked in a way it never had before. This wasn't just a schedule, it was a sustainable system for self-improvement. Let's be honest, creative blocks are the worst. On day 6, I was feeling completely uninspired. One idea, myth-busting popular productivity hacks, caught my eye. In about 15 minutes of back and forth, I went from having 0 ideas to a fully fleshed out concept for a video I was genuinely excited to make. Day 7, the final and most ambitious challenge. I know a little bit of code, but I always get stuck on small, annoying problems. In under an hour, I had a fully working, styled countdown timer, and I actually understood how it worked. This is the future of learning to code. So after 7 days, what's the verdict? This is not an exaggeration. Using ChatGPT-5 in these simple ways has fundamentally changed how I approach my work. We went from building an impossible to-do list in seconds, drafting perfect emails, summarizing hour-long meetings, learning complex topics, building a piece of software from scratch. And the craziest part is that none of this required a deep understanding of artificial intelligence. It's about asking the right questions, using it as a tool to make your own brain more powerful. Those 7 simple ways can shave hours off your week. No deep AI knowledge required. Think about it. Saving 15 minutes on emails, 30 minutes on meeting notes, 30 minutes on planning your day. That adds up incredibly fast, giving you back time to focus on what truly matters, growing your business, learning a new skill, spending more time away from your desk. This isn't about replacing human creativity, it's about augmenting it. It's a tool that removes the friction from our daily tasks. I'm challenging you to try this. You saw how easy it was. Try one hack today, drop which one in the comments. Let me know how it goes. I want to hear your results. If you want more videos testing crazy productivity tools and AI hacks, hit like and subscribe now so you don't miss the next one. We're just scratching the surface of what's possible. Thanks for watching.